What's going on, guys? Rods Over Bricks here. So in today's video, I've got 3 really easy builds with K'NEX, and I think you guys are going to really like this one. So we're going to start off with this, but essentially it's just going to be a 1-minute timer where I just show each thing up close. The little timer is going to be here at the bottom of the screen, and you guys can pause and build as you see it. Anyways, let's get started. So starting us off is this thing. Now this is pretty cool. Can't really tell what it is. It's a spring assist knife that comes down and clips right back into place so it can fit in your pocket and it won't come undone. But I think that was pretty cool, so here it is. And the next one is pretty much the easiest rubber band gun I could make, and it cocks like a little revolver, which is kind of fun. And so I'll show you that all up close and, start the timer over again. And before we start all that, it just cocks like this. And you take your rubber band, it hooks on up here and over there, and there you have it. And the last thing for today is just a really simple little car. I mean, it kind of has the little side profile of like a Volkswagen Squareback. But just a really simplistic little car that's pretty freaking rugged.
Do you love me, Matthew?
I do.
Honestly?
Yes. Secretly, but honestly.
No more secrets.
Here I am, making up for love. Here I am, making up for love.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video and have fun building as always. And let me know what you guys think about this in the comments. I know it's really simplistic, but I was pretty happy with just kind of how this one worked. And the rubber band, you don't really need that little clip here in the end, but that rubber band just really wants to pull it out. It does get wedged between these two pieces, so it doesn't come out, but with that clip, it kind of stays in a little extra gooder here. And, you know, definitely satisfying to flick this thing out, and also satisfying to pop it back in. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.